Hello people, this video is going to be on how to make scrunchies. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be needing the following items: scissors, elastic band, thread, pins, safety pin, needle and thread. And of course, we do need fabric. Beautiful fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice, but I like a lot of colors, so I'm using this fabric. I'm going to put below the size of fabric I used and the size of the elastic band I used. So to start making this, you need to fold the fabric into two, the right side together facing each other. Once that is done, you're going to use a pin to secure it at the unfolded end all the way down. So at this point, the wrong side of the fabric should be facing you and the table. Once that is done, I'll be using the threaded needle that has been secured at the end to sew along a straight line. So I'm going to say sew half an inch away from the unfolded end of the fabric. Keep sewing till you get to the end of the fabric, and then you secure your stitches. I would advise that you use the same color of thread or a color of thread close to the color of the fabric. We're all done with the sewing part. Then you go to one end of the fabric and start tucking out the right side out. Keep tucking out the right side until you do that along the whole length of the fabric. We're done with the tucking. So once that is all sorted out, we'll then attach our safety pin to one end of the elastic band. The aim of doing this is to help guide us as we pass our elastic band through the opening of the fabric. So once this is done, we then attach the other end of the elastic band to secure it together. Then we're going to use our needle and thread to put that in place so that then we can remove the safety pin. So you can see it's already taking shape, it's already taking form. We just need some few more stitches and we're all done. Yay! Very, very excited about this. I've been making this since I was a little girl, so super fun. Never get tired of making it. And the good thing about it is you can have it in all colors and all sizes once you do it yourself. So this is a DIY I will highly recommend you go do. Just keep sewing. We're almost there. Once we secure this, if you notice, I left about half an inch on both ends of the elastic band. It's just something I do just in case I want to maybe extend the length of the scrunchie. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the two ends of my fabric and tuck it inwards. I'm going to tuck the two ends inwards and then stitch round the edges together to join them. So I'm going to put them together and stitch round, and we're done. So that's all. I told you it was super easy. Yes, super easy. So we're done with that. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I don't know, maybe I have to form a song for that, how to subscribe. But you can see I have it in different colors. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Stay blessed and peace.